Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a Firebase project and enabling the authentication providers you need. Once done, install the Firebase SDK with npm so your backend can talk to Firebase. Next, initialize the SDK using your project config or service account JSON. This authenticates server calls. Make sure to keep keys out of source control by using environment variables. Finally, verify initialization by calling a simple admin API like auth. Get user or a test read to confirm connectivity. Once initialization works, choose Firestore or real-time database and model your data with collections and documents or node trees. Then write cloud functions for business logic, HTTP endpoints, background triggers, and scheduled jobs, and deploy them to isolate server work. Make sure to test rules locally with the emulator and secure reads and writes. Also, store secrets using functions config or a secrets manager so your functions avoid hard-coded credentials and behave predictably across environments. Now deploy your backend with Firebase Deploy or push only specific targets like functions or Firestore rules. After deployment, monitor logs and performance metrics to spot errors and latency. Make sure billing and quota alerts are configured so services don't stop unexpectedly. If something breaks, roll back to the previous deployment and use logs to trace the issue. Troubleshooting tip: if auth fails, check service account permissions and time skew on servers first. Most token errors stem from misconfigured credentials or clocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.